Yo, what's going on, everybody? Trench Tech here, and today we are talking about the Nomad laptop sleeve. Now, just to let you guys know, I did not buy this. This was actually sent out to me for review from Nomad, so I actually got some more videos coming, and we're going to go ahead and talk about everything, but let's just go ahead and jump straight into the unboxing / presentation. Now, essentially, this is supposed to be a sleeve for the MacBook Pro and the MacBook Air. I have the M1 13-inch MacBook Pro, so that's what I'm going to be using to test fit this. Correction, I don't have the MacBook Pro, it's the MacBook Air, but we're going to go ahead and keep this rolling. Now, as far as the box, this is a very, minimal box, nothing, too crazy going on. I guess you do have like a little barcode there, and you do have the Nomad symbol or whatnot. So let me see if I can put it this way. That way it actually faces your guys' direction and it looks a little bit better. But yeah, this is the black color. It's not the brown. So we're going to see how this basically looks. Now, I did take this out before and I recorded a whole video, but it didn't all come out too well. So I'm kind of redoing this one. But inside you have basically nice, cool little box there. There's really nothing else inside except the actual laptop sleeve, and this is pretty much how it looks outside of the box. And it has a really nice feel to it. Like, it really does feel like it's not going to slip out of your hands. This is something that's easy to carry around, and it doesn't have exactly a lot of weight or anything to it, so that's kind of a cool thing. It's not like the traditional sleeve that's like all flimsy or whatnot. This is actually really rigid, and so I really like this. Now, also on the inside, we do have a quote from Nomad, and I hope I can zoom in so you guys can see that, but that's basically, their message and their company branding that they have on the inside. But that is pretty much it for the box. And beneath it, we do have a MacBook Air that we can test out with this. So pretty much one of the cool things that I like, as we can see here, is the fact that you have a nice slit going around the side here. And pretty much this makes it easier to put inside the box. So if we go ahead and we push this open, this actually has a little bit of rigidity to it, like some force behind it. So it's going to snap back shut. So I'll go ahead and demonstrate that. And once again, I'll just open it and just let it clasp back shut. So I'm assuming that up in the top, there's some sort of magnet in here that helps close that, but that's actually a good seal, and that's a good feeling thing, because a lot of times with the sleeves, like sometimes, like if they don't have those magnets up there, or if they don't have a zipper, over time they'll start to bow out, and basically the sleeve will start to kind of look like this all the time, and it won't close. But it looks like here Nomad has kind of thought ahead, and just pretty much is, once again, it closes back itself. So if we go ahead and we open this up, we can take our MacBook Air and we can slide it directly into the sleeve. Now it's in the sleeve. This part is snapped back, and this feels solid. It feels good to go. I don't feel like this is going to fall out on its own. So just to test this out, I'm going to pick this up with 2 fingers, and I'm going to shake this. That way you guys can kind of see. And it is not sliding out at all. It's not. Like, it's pretty much in there. That's what's helping with these magnets here. And I like it. Like, this feels really nice. The quality on here is really good too. Like, the stitching on here is on point. It feels good. You do have like the little Nomad branding here. I don't know if you guys can see this on camera in the light, but you might be able to see it right about there. But this is dope. I would love to have one of these in like that saddle brown, leather type of, color. But hey, I'll take this as well. I am not complaining. And also, there's a little bit of impact resistance here. So like I said, if this were to fall down, it doesn't feel like the laptop would be damaged too badly from like just a small, tiny fall or a little, accident or something here. So I actually feel more comfortable carrying this around, putting my laptop inside here. And let's say I had my laptop inside of a bag with something else. I feel comfortable with this. I feel comfortable traveling with it because we all know how TSA can be with handling stuff. At least here you can just come here, just slide your laptop out, just that easy, use it whenever you need to use it. And then whenever you need to put it back, just slide it back in there and bam, it's good to go. Now, I believe the price on this is $199, I believe, on their website. So it can be kind of pricey, but when you look at how much Apple charges for their leather sleeve, I think this is okay. I think this is cool as far as the price. Now, do I wish it were cheaper? Yes, I always wish things were cheaper. To be honest, I wish this thing was $100 instead of the $200 or the current asking price. But it does feel nice. I wouldn't feel bad if someone paid $200 for this because, like I said, normally with sleeves, they don't have all that extra care. Normally with a sleeve, you just put it in there and there's nothing else. But the fact that this has that magnetic clasp and you do have some decent protection and you don't have to really worry about this falling, and it just feels really, really nice. It's good to go. I really can't think of any improvements because pretty much it's a sleeve. The only thing that I could think about is if they were to make one of these and they were to have a zipper that were to go along the edge, that might be more of a thing. But at the same time, they do have that magnetic clasp, so it's not coming out. I am really shaking this thing and it's not coming out, and I'm putting some force behind it too. It is not coming out. So that pretty much is good to go. Now, I'll probably have to do a follow-up review on this, maybe a couple of weeks later or a little bit further down the line. The more I try and use this and the more I try and, basically have this in my life. But just to make a long story short, and I know it feels like I'm rambling, it's good to go. I don't see where the improvement can happen here, but let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Would you guys buy this? Would you get this for a friend, family member? Would you try it out, or have you tried one out before? And just let me know what your experience is. Otherwise, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. That way we can grow on the channel. And I apologize for the audio right now. I'm recording it on my iPhone because essentially I record everything into the MacBook, but I had to use the MacBook for the video. So right now I'm recording everything on the iPhone just in case if things sound a little bit different. So, all right, y'all take it easy. Peace.